Good morning, friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. In this morning's video, I will be sharing with you all of the latest stimulus news and information. New relief payments will be going out to eligible Americans this week. However, some of you may need to pay this relief money back. Senator Joe Manchin says he may not back President Biden's social spending plan until 2022. Friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
Yesterday, during a hearing before the Senate Banking Committee, the Federal Reserve Chairman, Jerome Powell, finally confirmed what we've all known for a very long time, that the threat of persistently higher inflation has grown and that the risk of more persistent inflation has risen. He acknowledged to the committee that use of the word transitory in the media has caused confusion and that it's probably a good time to retire that word and try to explain more clearly what's actually happening with the economy. Now, that is bad news for the spin doctors over in the Biden administration who have spent months trying to convince Tennesseans and the American people that we'll be out of the woods any day now, that this is all coming to a fast end. It's back to the drawing board for the White House comms shop. They cannot split hairs over vocabulary words pertaining to inflation. The inflation that we're seeing is real, it is felt, and the consequences of ignoring this are very real. Of course, Tennesseans could have told Washington, D.C. this long ago. Out in the real world, they've been dealing with the cost of inflation. Contrary to what the White House would have you believe, inflation isn't just a problem for the rich, and it certainly won't fade into the background after the holidays. I have spoken at length about how inflation has affected Tennessee families and their budgets. Just a few weeks ago, I used the price hike on your average Thanksgiving dinner as an example of how $1 here and $1 there can add up to a massive grocery bill that we wouldn't have thought possible even a year ago. But when I tell you that Tennesseans are worried about inflation,
Senate Democrats are wishing for a holiday gift in the form of approving President Biden's $2 trillion domestic spending package by Christmas. But Senator Joe Manchin of West Virginia seems readier to hand his own party a thick lump of coal instead. According to CNN News, Joe Manchin is reportedly expressing skepticism to his Senate colleagues about whether they will be able to approve and pass the Build Back Better legislation this year. It is significant given that all 50 Senate Democrats must band together to clear the bill in the evenly divided Senate over what's likely to be GOP opposition. Joe Manchin is not committing to the legislation, suggesting much more work needs to be done to iron out the finer details. Manchin's reluctance to back the bill could capsize the timetable that Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer originally envisioned to wrap everything up and deliver Biden a major win going into 2022, which is a crucial midterm election year. So friends, do you think that lawmakers will be able to get Biden's social spending bill passed before the end of this month? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. It risks an abrupt halt of monthly child tax credit payments that tens of millions of families are relying on to cover expenses like rent, childcare, groceries, and school supplies. The Internal Revenue Service will distribute the final monthly payments on December 15, 2021, and families will receive the other half at tax time. The House bill renews the bulked-up child tax credit payments for another year. It provides up to $300 a month per child age 5 and under, or $3,600 annually. For children between ages 6 and 17, families can receive $250 each month, or $3,000 yearly. And it would lock in the ability for the vast majority of American families to get the government cash every month, regardless of whether they file taxes. Asked by Insider News, Manchin did not commit to approving the child tax credit as it was laid out in the House bill, only calling it a work in progress. That raised a prospect of changes to that measure. Manchin may not be the only obstacle standing between Democrats and their Christmas deadline. Senator Kristen Sinema of Arizona is still not on board with the package yet either. She told CNN News in an interview that she was negotiating in good faith with other Democrats. Friends, the keyword for this video is frost. If you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Click and like this video and comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends. Millions of children rose above the poverty line thanks to these payments. Unfortunately, there may be situations where parents need to pay back these credits. The payments were made based on filers' 2020 and 2019 tax returns. And if there was a change in 2021, like an increase of income, then a taxpayer may not be entitled to as much as the IRS believes. If that is the case, in 2022, when parents file their taxes, they may need to pay that money back. This way, if they were being given too much, by not accepting it, they won't be forced to pay it back. Other reasons you may end up paying the payments back is due to divorce or a child aging out. Children under the age of 6 were given $300 per month, and children ages 6 to 17 were given $250 per month. These payments were given out starting in July every month, with the final one this month on December 15th. The Internal Revenue Service has also sent letters telling some Americans that they do need to pay back their third round of stimulus payments. These letters have been going out over the last few weeks, as possible in different states report getting these letters from the IRS, indicating that they pay back $600, $1,400, or $1,200, depending on what they reported in their 2020 tax returns. Friends, thank you so very much for joining me here this Sunday morning. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos every day. To say thank you, I'm giving away $100 Walmarts every Friday. If you would like to enter the giveaway, please click and like my videos, comment below the keyword from each video, and also do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very blessed Sunday.